Hello, myself Pooja Pendor from second year Division A. Our architectural design third semester project is Design the Nature Interpretation Center. First assignment is Decoding the Brief. Our semester project name is Designing the Nature Interpretation Center in Western Ghat in Sahyadri Ranges. So what is Nature Interpretation Center? Nature Interpretation Center is mediate knowledge about evoke feeling for nature and the cultural landscape. People should know about the available flora and fauna in the forest. We create Nature Interpretation Center to conservation of flora and fauna, nature and biodiversity, and know the awareness of importance of these all the elements. Western Ghat covers Indian peninsula from state of Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. We choose Western Ghat because here we can see some of rare species of plants, birds, animal and insect, etc. Also the Western Ghat area is full of biodiversity and flora and fauna. According to given information, here are some requirements to design Nature Interpretation Center. The next assignment is to study of mass and volume through the 3D models. By using different shapes, geometric forms, and the different structure system and giving some opening, we create these 3D models. By doing these 3D models, we know the volumetric mass. We know about the volumetric mass and their structure. These all models are made in singular form. Next one is form and exploration in multiple spaces. Also here we can see the study of mass and volume through the multiple spaces. Here I give different height, volume and the openings to the structure. Next one is spatial organization. There are 5 spatial organization system: centralized, radial, linear, cluster and grid form. Spatial sequence. By using spatial organization, we have to give a spatial sequence to our requirements. This is the sequence of requirements: parking, garden, reception and waiting area, administration area, AV room, exhibition space, permanent, exhibition space, temporary, library, heritage archival, amphitheater, souvenir shops and cafeteria. By using spatial organization system, here are some plans which are drawn with the help of spatial organization system and the spatial sequence. Next is site analysis. Proposed site is located in Harshwadi, which is base village of Harihar Fort. Harshwadi is 40 km from Nashik. Harihar Fort, Harshgad is fort located 40 km from Nashik city. There is beautiful view of mountains on the south side and there is a seasonal water body in the west side. The site having 40 by 80 meter plot and 12-meter road on west side. On south side there are the mountain ranges and on the west side there are seasonal water body. Along the side there are many paddy fields. These are the actual views of mountain from this side. The climate. The city has tropical location and high altitude combined to give it a relatively mild version of hot and semi-arid climate. On south side there is a beautiful view, but due to the harsh sun rays, we should give shading devices on south side. Topography. The site have 2 contours. Vegetation. There are many trees are available like banyan, Indian fig, peepal, kadam, shivam, arjun and etc. This is the bubble diagram. Winds are flow from southwest to the northeast. Next is reorganization of spaces. This is the plan of reorganized school. Case study: the Serralves Foundation. The Serralves Foundation is located in Portugal. The intention of this foundation is an art foundation whose mission is to raise the general public awareness concerning contemporary art and the environment via the Museum of Contemporary Art, Park and Auditorium. This building contains such functions like exhibition, auditorium, library, public space, museum, shop, restaurant, multipurpose room, education studio, offices, and service block. This is the three-story building which having many skylight on its upper floor. In this section we can see the volumetric differentiation, as well as on the right and left side of this structure there are so many plants. This is the primary road and these are the secondary roads. These are the plan of ground floor, second floor and third floor. Design development plan. As earlier I said that there is a view from south side and there is a view of seasonal water body from west side, and there is a 12-meter road which come from Nashik and go towards the rear fort, and outside the plot there are many paddy fields. This is the micro level plan. The concept is while planning to achieve view from the mountains and view of the seasonal water body, and also connect inter area to the outer area. This is the entry. At the entry there is a drop off. When we enter in the nature interpretation center there is a reception area. After reception area there is a admin area. After admin area there is a audio visual room. In admin area there is at the back side there is a courtyard which is visually connect to this landscape area. For handicapped people I provide here a ramp. This is the circulation path of the nature interpretation center. After audiovisual room there is a exhibition space and there is a passage. Through this passage we can go outside in the landscape area and we can sit here. These are the desks. After exhibition space we can enter into exhibition space which is temporary and which is in flowing form. There is another outer sitting area. This is the library which is connected to heritage archival. Both are singular spaces and which are connected with the outside of courtyard. In the courtyard there is a one tree. In the south side I here provided water body. This is amphitheater and here I provide a grid which is continuous due to the pergolas. After that there is a cafeteria and the souvenir shops. In the section A we can see the clearly difference between the levels, and this is a semi-open space, open space, closed space, again semi-open open space, and again closed space, again semi-open space. This is the section BB. Here we can see the first parking area which is at ground level, then waiting and reception area, again closed space, then courtyard which is open space, and the AV room, and this is the corridor. We can also see the difference in height of different structures. This is section CC. Here is the permanent exhibition. Here is the window to getting north light into permanent exhibition space. This is closed space. Then there is a courtyard. corridor, library, again courtyard. There is again we can see the level differences. These are the east and south side elevations. These are the some 3D views. This is cafeteria and the shop area. These are the shop area. In cafeteria, people can enjoy food in inner area and as well as outside area, so they can connect to the visuals of mountain view. This is the open courtyard. To getting view, I add here some openings and the layered concrete material. This is the linear axis here we can see. Also the same opening I added here the administration area courtyard. These are some more 3D views. These are some interior view of Nature Interpretation Center. Thank you.